Only 4 games, an ERA of 0. Bob Brenly. Well, if you're the 2-0, 2-1, you've got Randy Johnson waiting for game 6. 2-pitch to Spencer. Got it. 1 away. Now there's Brocious takes on the out. 1-1. Deliveries from Young-Hun Kim. Oh. Brocious did not. First Korean-born player to appear in the world of a 3-1 game. 2 out. New look. Yank 1-2 Soriano. 1 ball plane or goes up. When they get to the plate. Phased at all by this as he is off at Yankee Stadium for the first time in the World Series. And boy, did he respond. Struck out the side.